working with Kwikset privacy and passage doors. Privacy is for bed and bath. Passage is for hall and closet. Look at that, I just unlocked that door just like that. That one doesn't lock at all. Check out the link below to see what tools I used for installing these doors. Now this door right here just has a hole instead of this shape cut out in the door. If your door has this square shape cut out into it, check out my keyed entry door video. If you have nothing cut out other than the hole in the center of the door, take a flathead screwdriver and pop that part off. Now when you go to put the sleeve on, make sure the little groovies go in the holes on each side of this. Take your hammer and tap that in tightly and make sure that it looks straight and you're going the right direction. Take a screwdriver and screw these in, but not all of the way. Because we're going to take our speed square and make sure that these knobs look straight. Use your hand drive to put them in the rest of the way because I have seen doors get crunched because they're over tightened. After you get the doorknob on, close your door and rattle a little bit. Get a feel if your striker plate needs to be a little to the left or a little bit to the right. And there you go, passage and privacy go in the exact same way. We always put our keys on the top of our headers so the homeowners can find them all. Check out the playlist that this video is on to see how to avoid common mistakes and how to fix them.